Hey there, Jeffersontown residents. If you're in Louisville and dealing with roof damage, don't worry. I got you covered with some pro tips to get that roof fixed quick and easy. First things first, let's talk safety. Before you even think about climbing up to check out the damage, make sure you've got the right gear. Use sturdy ladders, wear non-slip shoes, and always have someone spotting you. Safety is key, folks. Now let's inspect that roof. Start by checking for obvious signs like missing shingles, dents, or leaks inside your home. Grab a pair of binoculars if you can't see clearly from the ground. If you spot any damage, take some photos for your insurance claim. Trust me, documentation is crucial. Next up, temporary fixes. If there's a leak, try using a tarp to cover the damaged area. Secure it tightly with nails or heavy-duty tape. This is just a quick fix, but it'll help prevent further damage until you can get a pro to take a look. Speaking of pros, don't hesitate to call a local roofing contractor. Call and get a free estimate from a good roofer now at 502-289-6103 or type yes in the comments, and we will reply back ASAP. Look for someone with good reviews and proper licenses. Get a few estimates to compare prices and services. And remember, cheaper isn't always better. Quality work can save you money in the long run. Now, for those DIY enthusiasts out there, if the damage is minor, you might be able to fix it yourself. Replace missing shingles, seal small leaks with roofing cement, and clean out those gutters. But be honest about your skills. Don't take on more than you can handle. Next, always check your insurance policy. Roof damage from storms or accidents might be covered. File a claim as soon as possible and keep all your receipts and photos handy. Remember, you can call and get a free estimate at 502-289-6103. That number again is 502-289-6103 or type yes in the comments, and we will reply back ASAP.